Hey everyone, in this video we'll see how null values behave when aggregated. So if you see, I have created a table over here with the name tab1 and there's only one column in this table and I've inserted three values in this table, 100, 200 and one null value. Okay, now I'll quickly show you how this table looks like. So I've already queried it as you can see over here. So a table with one column and three values. Now we are going to find the aggregate. So what do you think what the aggregate would be? Will it be 100 plus 200 divided by 3 or will it be 100 plus 200 divided by 2? So let's quickly run it and see the results. Okay, you can see it's 150. So basically when you have null values in your table and if you try to average, or if you try to find the average of the column, so it ignores those null values. So what it has done is it has simply added 200 plus 100, that is 300, and it has divided it by 2. It has not divided it by 3. And again I'm repeating because the third value is what? It's null and null means nothing. So SQL simply ignore that row, as simple as that. Okay, now let's look into the other functions that we have. Now sum is easy. In sum, it is going to find the sum of all the values. Though internally it is going to ignore the null value, but yeah, it's very simple. In the same way, let's quickly try min and max. Again, ignoring the null values row. Yeah, that's a min. And this is max. Okay, now let's try count. Now, if you pass count with the column name, it is going to ignore the null values. Okay, so you can see that over here we are getting 2. So it has 3 rows, but we are getting 2 because it is ignoring the row having the null value. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove val and I'm going to add star. So now what I'm telling is that, okay, I want to count, but I want to count everything, whatever I have. So now if I run this, it will show me 3. Okay, so I hope that you have got the idea of how null values are aggregated. Just practice it by yourself and rock it.